PowerGrid Recruitment 2021 Apply online 1110 Apprenticeship Vacancies last updated July 28, 2021 PowerGrid invites online applications from eligible candidates for recruitment of apprenticeship in different trade for 1-year duration basis under the provisions of the Apprentice Act, 1961 and its subsequent amendments. The last date for submission of online applications is the 20th of August 2021. Advertisement No. Apprenticeship 2021 2201 The post and total vacancies Apprenticeship ITI Diploma Graduate HR Executive Region Wise Vacancies Corporate Center Gurugram Haryana 44 posts Northern Region 1 Faridabad Delhi Haryana Rajasthan Uttar Pradesh Uttarakhand 134 posts Northern Region 2 Jammu and Kashmir Punjab Haryana Chandigarh Himachal Pradesh 83 posts Northern Region 3 Lucknow Uttar Pradesh Uttarakhand 96 posts Eastern Region 1 Patna Bihar Jharkhand 82 posts Eastern Region 2 Kolkata West Bengal Sikkim 74 posts Northeastern Region Shillong Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Tripura 127 posts Orissa Projects Bhubaneswar Orissa 53 posts Western Region 1 Nagpur Maharashtra Chhattisgarh Madhya Pradesh Goa 112 posts Western Region 2 Vadodara Gujarat Madhya Pradesh 115 posts Southern Region 1 Hyderabad Andhra Pradesh Telangana 76 posts Southern Region 2 Bangalore Karnataka Tamil Nadu Kerala 114 posts Stipend ITI 11,000 rupees per month Diploma 12,000 rupees per month Graduate HR Executive 15,000 rupees per month Educational Qualifications ITI in relevant trade Diploma Full-time or 3-year course Diploma in relevant engineering discipline Graduate Full-time BE BTech BSc Engineering Graduate HR Executive MBA HR MSW Postgraduate Diploma in Personal Management and Industrial Relation Selection Process Shortlisted candidates will be called for documents verification. How to apply? Eligible candidates should first register themselves as a candidate in the website of web links or web links. After getting the registration enrollment number, they should apply on the PowerGrid website. The last date for registration of online applications is the 20th of August 2021. Web links for more details given in description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe JK Global Edu.